What is pranayama in yoga? And is pranayama essential in your yoga practice? Let's have a look. Hi, I'm Al from yogagangeya.co.za, and you are at the right place if you want to heal your body and mind with yoga. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, and you will be notified when I upload anything new. And don't forget to catch the tip of the day at the end of the video. What does pranayama mean? Pranayama is a Sanskrit word, prana meaning vital energy and life force. It is more than just the air that we breathe in, it's a lot more subtle than that. It is the life force within all living things. And ayama means extension or expansion. So pranayama means expansion of life force. Yes, it does introduce more oxygen into your bloodstream and in that way promotes mental and physical health. But it's much more than that. The expansion of life force brings a higher awareness, a higher state of awareness into your life, and it is great for meditation. There are 4 aspects of pranayama that you should be aware of. That's the inhalation, that's when you breathe in, and the exhalation, number 2, when you breathe out, and number 3 is internal breath retention, and that's when you breathe in and you hold the breath in. And then external breath retention is when you exhale and you hold the breath out. It is important that you start off with the beginner's pranayama so that you can slowly build up your lung strength and endurance. And your lifestyle. Your lifestyle has such an impact on your breathing, your diet, exercise, work, stress. It all affects your breathing pattern. So next time you feel so drained and tired, watch your breath and see what's going on. What is your breathing pattern doing? Pranayama helps to reverse the effects of poor lifestyle. So during your pranayama practice, as you increase it every day and get better at it, you will see that your old negative habits of breathing starts to change, and you get a more rhythmic, natural breathing pattern that naturally happen to you without you even knowing about it. And in that way, it will bring great health, mental and physical health, and personal transformation into your life. Is pranayama essential for your yoga practice? Yes, 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 it is very important, if not so more important than the asanas, the poses itself. Now pranayama calms your mind and prepare you for an internal focus before your practice. And during your practice, when you focus on your breathing, it stimulates the awareness on your body. So it helps you with awareness on your body and your balance and detoxification. It also gives you a meditative state of mind during your practice. And after your practice, pranayama helps you to adjust the vital force in such a way to conclude the adjustments that happened during your practice, and it prepares you for meditation. Who should take caution practicing pranayama? Well, it's simple. If you're sick, don't practice it. Wait till you're better and then continue. But there are some breathing techniques that you can do whenever, even if you're sick, which is very subtle. For example, awareness of the natural breath or abdominal breathing. I have 2 videos on those 2 breathing techniques. Please find a link for that in the description box below, or you can find it up here. When to practice pranayama? Now the best time is early in the morning or just before bed. Now if you can't make those times, any pranayama practice at any time is great. Just remember to wear loose fitting clothes so there's no restrictions in breathing, and sit in a place that's quiet and well ventilated. And don't practice pranayama on a full stomach. Your diaphragm will press against your lungs and there's just too much discomfort. And then when you sit, you can sit anywhere. Just make sure that your spine is straight and relax. Don't arch too much back or slouch forward, and your chin is not falling forward or overextended at the back. Just nice and relax, spine straight and shoulders down, and relax. Relax your jaw and just try and relax everything before you start. You might experience certain sensations in the beginning of your pranayama practice. For example, you feel hot or cold, or a feeling of lightness. It's okay. Those feelings, sensations will go away as you continue your pranayama practice over weeks and so on. The tip of the day. Now, before you go to bed or when you're just about to fall asleep, just lie flat on your bed, on your back in Shavasana. So that means arms out to the sides and legs out, and just totally relax. No pillow under your head. And do 10 rounds of your favorite breathing technique. Mine is the full yogi breath. You can do more if you want to. You just do 10, and when you're done, just close your eyes, or you can even close your eyes before you start, and you just drift off to dreamland. You will sleep like a baby. It works for me every time. Now, in the comment section below, tell me what is your favorite breathing technique. And while you're down there, let me know if this video helped you to understand pranayama a little bit better. And if it did, give this video a thumbs up and hit the like button. And thank you for watching. Ariom Tat Sat.